And it's 7:06 a.m. August 13th, 2019, a Tuesday here in coastal Virginia. I got this huge, I was about to say June bug, but that's a cicada, right? I guess. Is it time for the 17-year cicadas, or aren't there some other different ones? I don't know. Pretty cool. He spooked the heck out of me this morning, though, I'm not going to lie. There was another one here that was just a shell. That fell off, but they were right near each other. That made it even spookier. Oh, wow. Right here on the rail near the old geraniums. My camera is not the most in focus, is it? I don't know why. Okay, that's all for now.